Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda and welcome back to my kitchen. Y'all know a few weeks ago we went apple picking. Not necessarily picking them ourselves, but picking them off the shelf. We went to the apple festival. So I've had just an abundance of apples to use up, and last year we did the same thing and I showed y'all how to make apple butter. So I didn't show you on this one how to do your apple butter, but I made me some apple butter, and I am going to be making a cake that I originally tasted at my sister Lynn's house, and I absolutely loved it. It is called an apple stack cake. Now some of you, especially in the North Carolina area, you may think of an entirely different kind of cake when I say apple stack. There's many recipes out there, but this, I'm going to show you a shortcut version. And I first had it at the Kroger in Tennessee, and I said, man, that is a good cake. And every time we go to Tennessee, what I have to get, Russ?
You gotta get one.
Gotta get an apple stack cake. My sister will call them up and order it for me, because you have to place an order, and they are so good. But I am going to be making a shortened version of that, and because they just have the white or either yellow layers. I think they just do the white cake for theirs, and it's super simple. Your cake, and it's just going to be some good old apple butter in the middle, no icing, a little powdered sugar on top, y'all. It sounds simple, but I'm telling you what, it is so good. So we are going to get busy putting this little cake together, and we are starting with just a yellow cake mix. You can do yellow or white. I've got me some eggs, oil. We're just going to go by the back of the box here, and so I'm going to put my little eggs in, and get me some little vegetable oil, and you just go by what's on the back of the box. I've got a cup of water, and I'm going to do a half a cup of vegetable oil. I'm going to give these eggs just a little beat. Just a little stir up there. And I've already got my water here, so I'm going to put my water in, and then my little vegetable oil. So 1 cup of water and half a cup of vegetable oil. I know y'all probably know how to put a little box cake together. I normally mix little add-ins in mine. I don't know about y'all. I add a little sour cream, a little extra sugar on mine, get a little fluffier. But I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to go by the box. So let me give this a little stir. I know that's a lot of racket.
Daisy's going to be upset with you.
Daisy is in the corner. She just looking at me.
Something wrong. She's over there.
She gave me the stink eye.
Sit to the corner.
She's listen, I wasn't gonna pull Daisy out for just this quick little thing, and Daisy is a lot to have to get all washed up. Yeah. And she's heavy too. She's a big girl.
She is. She's a hefty girl. And
for y'all that don't know and is new to my channel, Daisy is my KitchenAid mixer. Yes, I'm crazy and I name stuff, but anyway, I grow very attached to my accessories.
Yes.
We'll give this a little mix. I am going to add just a little splash of vanilla, a little something extra. Good old vanilla. It's just going to give it more flavor. Give that a little mix. All right, y'all. Got that mixed up. That's all that there is to that. And I have got my little pans. I put some Crisco grease in it and some flour. I like that better than the spray. I'll tell you that. It seems to just work a little better. Now I'm just going to split this in 2 different pans. Now I will just be honest and say I normally do a 3rd pan. For the life of me, I cannot find my other pan. I don't know what I have done with it. So we're just going to do 2, and when these are done, I'm going to split them in 2, so there's actually 4 layers to this. Fun part is getting them even. Here we go. This is really, really quick and easy to whip up.
And yummy.
And yummy. It really is a good cake, isn't it?
Yes.
It really is.
And I will put how to make the apple butter
Yes.
in the description.
Yep.
The link to that video. So you can get you some apples and make your own apple butter, and go to town.
And it's a crock pot recipe. So that's super easy too for that apple butter. I did a really super simple one. And you can just throw them in and go. I love that.
Yes.
I love it. You can cook them on top too. You can cook it on the stove top as well. But all right, I am going to get these. I always give them a little what's up, just get them bubbles out of there. And I'm gonna get this in the oven, and we'll be back when it comes out of the oven. All right, y'all, it's ready. That's what it looks like. Look at the other one out. Oh, it's just pulling away from the side, y'all. It's ready to come out. All right. We're going to flip this sucker. Let's just do this. Hot. It's hot. It's hot. All right. Let's hope she flips over. Oh, yeah. Right out it went.
Yeah. Nice.
Very nice. That's what you always hope for, Russell.
Yeah.
Flips out and it behaves. That Crisco and
be doing the work.
Yes, that Crisco and the flour honey works just fine. All right, so I'm gonna let this cool a little bit, and then I'm gonna split them in half, and we're gonna make 4 layers before we layer it with this good old apple butter. All right, I'll be back after it cools. All right, y'all, we're back. This cake is cool. She's ready to be iced, and I've split it in half. And there's many ways you can split a cake in half. You can put toothpicks around it, get your little dental floss and just spread it. But listen, I just got a knife and kind of just hacked it. So it's a little late now, and I'm just ready to get it over with.
Yeah.
Get it done. Get it done. That's right.
I'm ready to get to the good part.
Yes,
My part.
yes.
Yeah.
So I've got my little apple butter, y'all. And I am just going to spoon this on here and just go to town with it. I'm just going to make us some even little layers here. Oh, it smells good. It smells so good. So good. Look at that. And this, it ain't got to be pretty. You can take your time and do it pretty if you want to. And if I was doing this for somebody, I would make sure it's a whole lot more prettier than
what about me? I ain't nobody. What
you are somebody, but you don't care. You don't care.
I don't care what it looks like.
You do not care what it looks
I do
like.
not.
No,
right.
You and I, listen, we're going to enjoy it. We ain't
I'm
about
indulging
all that.
a little bit of it.
Just a little bit. And we'll share some.
Yeah, I'm sure somebody, them girls at work once again.
But I have been looking forward to this. I'm telling you, this is one of my favorite little cakes. Like I said, when we go to Tennessee.
This was going to be the first recipe we made when we came back.
It really was. It was.
And it turned out being the last one we got to.
I know. Yeah. All right, I'm going to split this other cake so y'all can see there's nothing really difficult about it, because I don't really do it with a lot of precision. Let's do it. Let's scoot this over here for just a minute.
Yeah, for the camera.
Lord Jesus. Yeah, listen, here's what I do, okay? I just go into the middle of it, stab it, and I just work myself around it just like so. Like I said, you can put a little toothpick in it and be all precise and everything, but this is what's working for us tonight, ain't it?
I think you did all right.
I think it'll be just fine.
Yeah.
These little cooling grids, they're about to kick my butt here. All right. There we go. And I'm just going to put this back in here like this, and look, just whoop. Flip it over.
Well, that seemed easy.
Nothing to it. Nothing to it. We're going to put another little layer on here. We're going to swap places now. go back on here. And you can make more layers of this if you want, but I think 4 is going to do us just fine.
Oh yeah, that's going to be good.
Yeah, like I said, I normally do 3 of the little 8-inch cakes. Make my little layers. But she'll be just fine, just like this. Yummy, yummy. Look how good. These good old apples, y'all. These apples were just delicious.
Fuji, y'all.
Fuji, that's what I use. It was
They
the
are
Fuji.
sweet.
They really are. Yummy. All right. Then we gonna flip it over here. Just gonna pick up the whole thing like so. Put her lid on. Here we go. Yummy. Now I will tell you this. The colder this gets, when it sits in the refrigerator, the better it gets. And that is the truth.
I tell you what, it looks delicious.
It does. So good. So I can't wait for it to get cold.
Yeah.
So I can enjoy it. Normally the sides are not normally decorated. I don't believe it just goes like that. But I think I'm going to just go around it with what I've got. So we don't waste all this apple butter.
Yeah, we need to get all that on there.
We are. We're going to get all this goodness.
But you're right. The cakes that we've got before in the past were just...
Yeah. I might have to thin a little layer on it now that I'm looking at it.
Maybe. I don't know.
It's good. It's good.
Just don't have it on this one.
This is one of my nephew Brett's favorite cakes too. My sister, she says he just loves it. Good stuff. We know
I
what's...
don't know nobody that don't love it. Be honest, that's a very good cake.
It is delicious. I think your mom and dad even enjoyed it when we went
they did when we went
Tennessee last time. Yep.
They did.
Sure did. And I used I'm using a whole quart of this apple butter. I'm going to have to work on the sides a little bit. It ain't real pretty, but it's going to be good. Y'all, I done got tired. We've been going all day.
Yeah.
I have gotten tired, sure enough. Yummy, yummy. Alright, I'm just going to drizzle it on there. Now, what we will do is top it off with a little powdered sugar. I don't know why it works so well, but it does. I'm just digging in this jar, making all kind of racket. Sorry. Loud. And I'm decorating with a spoon. Look, I got my little ice and knives over here, and I'm just going to town with a tablespoon. Alright. Yummy. Looking good. Alright, here's what we do. Let me get me a, well, never mind. Let's even this out just a little bit. Try to do better. Just try to do a little better. Alright. I'll work on the sides in a minute, but this is what we do on top, okay? Give it a little sprinkle. Yummy, yummy. There we go. Look. That's all it is to it, y'all. All it is to it.
Beautiful.
All right, Russell. You ready for it?
I'm ready for it.
We've been smelling it, haven't we?
We have.
Lord. All right, y'all. I'm going to cut him a big old piece of it, and we're going to try it out for you. Y'all, look at this. Oh,
ooh.
Yummy. Goodness on a plate.
Goodness on a plate.
Yes. You ready to?
Oh, I'm ready. We ain't
just
got
dig on in there now.
I'm ready for it. We've been waiting on this for a while.
We have.
Yep. I don't like all these cakes where you gotta let it cool and.
I know, it's a bunch of nonsense.
Yeah, you'll just. I mean, it smells so good. It takes too long to cook. Takes too long to cool.
Oh, now.
I'm complaining, y'all.
Now
I'm
he's
just
talking.
complaining
Now he's talking. Just get on in there.
Oh my goodness.
Good stuff, y'all. Right.
I'm gonna tell y'all something.
Tell us.
I could have took that jar of that apple butter and just ate the whole thing.
Ain't that the truth?
That is so good, and it pairs so good with the powdered sugar and the cake. Oh my goodness, that's delicious, y'all.
Just as simple, like you don't have to make an icing, just that apple butter. And listen, you ain't got to make the apple butter. You can buy it up at the Walmarts or the Food Lines or wherever you get it. You ain't got to make it.
You need to get a piece of that.
Oh, okay.
Taste it out. She
Yes,
needs to taste that.
I love it. I'm telling you.
This is one of her favorite cakes. Yeah.
So good. And this is going to be so good tomorrow when this has gotten cold.
Yeah, when it's set up. Yep.
Not that it's not.
It's good right now. Don't let her fool you. Hey,
it's delicious.
don't make them let y'all wait all night on that cake. When it gets ready, eat it. It's good. Trust me on that.
It is. It really is. And it's not warm. I mean, I've let it cool.
Yeah, it's fine. It's cool.
So it's not warm. But anyway, y'all.
Beautiful. And it's delicious. Yeah.
Apple stack cake. And
Yep.
like I said, it may not be your you know, the one your grandma made with all the layers and stuff, but this is pretty dang good.
Yeah.
It's
Getting
good
near the
stuff.
end of apple season, so hopefully y'all can get you some fresh ones.
Yes.
And enjoy.
I've had a couple people asking for some more little apple stuff, so I hope you enjoy it. I hope you try it, and if you do, let me know. I love feedback, y'all. So get in them comments and let me know if you tried something that I've made. And anyway, y'all, till next time.